It's nothing new, but it's so good to see you. We do this every day, and I'm still so amazed by you. So hold me tight through the night.
Hi guys, welcome back. Today I am sharing with you my summer nighttime routine as a single mom of 2. My son Jaden is about to be 8 and my daughter Everly is 4. So each night after dinner we like to snuggle on the couch and just kind of hang out together for a little bit. And then I will head upstairs with my daughter who is about to try and scare me, and I will start getting her ready for bed while my son Jaden stays up a little bit later.
Still can't believe you love me. I hope it never ends.
So now I'm gonna go ahead and get her bath started while she gets ready to brush her teeth. She is very independent and loves to do everything all by herself with no help, so I'm gonna let her brush her teeth by herself for a minute, but then I do go back through and brush them once again after her just to make sure she got everywhere she needed to. Also, she hates when I brush her hair or basically do anything for her that I'm supposed to do. And this day she was playing very hard and got this massive knot in her hair, so I try and get it out with some conditioner, and then after her bath you will see me brushing through it. I finally get it out of her hair, but it's just chaotic over here. And then before she gets in the bath, right now she is using the bathroom, so I will give her some privacy and come in here and get her pajamas out for the night. And sometimes I will go ahead and get an outfit out for the next day. So there's her pajamas, her pull-up, the detangling spray that is desperately needed, and then I'll go through her drawer and just get something out for her to wear the next day just to kind of make it easier on us in the mornings. And I'm obviously not going to show her in the bathtub, but here you can see me doing her hair and kind of using some conditioner and bathing her just a little bit. Again, she is very independent and hates when I do this, but I have to just to kind of help her out. I do let her bathe herself for the most part, but I always go in too and just make sure everything is clean. While she is playing in the bathtub, I will normally clean up any toothpaste splatters that have gotten everywhere and just kind of straighten up the countertops just while I'm already in there. I'm definitely not going to leave the room and go clean a different room, so while I'm in there, I just clean whatever I can.
Searching for something that ain't lost. Have we got it? Our lines crossed. We're wasting time on stuff.
Usually I will now brush her hair and then go through and blow dry it, but tonight she was not in the mood for me to blow dry it after messing with it for what felt like forever, so that is fine. I'm not going to argue with it. I'm just going to brush out those tangles while she reads her book.
And words unspoken, we fall apart, and I won't dare to say.
This is actually going to be the last nighttime routine that is filmed in this house, which is so sad to me, so bittersweet. We just sold our house and we close in about 2 weeks. So next I'm going to go into Jaden's room, and he was trying to get a head start on packing and threw a bunch of his toys that he wanted to take on his bed. So I guess nothing else matters except those toys, so just ignore that. So then I'm going to go ahead and get out his pajamas and an outfit for the next day. I don't always do this. I mean, he can definitely go in and just pull out a t-shirt and some things to get ready each night, but while I'm up here and he's hanging out downstairs, I figured I would. He also finished first grade earlier this day, so we celebrated and had some cake, so I'm just kind of letting him live his best life. Then I'm gonna check on Everly and make sure she is nice and distracted while I go get Jaden and have him come upstairs. So she is going to get out a couple stuffed animals and play hairdresser, and she's gonna do their hair while I go spend some time with Jaden helping him get ready for bed.
One of you, or maybe I'm not enough for you. So maybe I should go. If I had known from the start, this wouldn't have ended with broken hearts. 'Cause I don't wanna waste my time. No. I don't wanna waste my time. No.
So after Jaden snuggles with his best friend Bree, he's gonna go in the bathroom, and I give him way more privacy. He's older, he doesn't want his mom in there, so he is going to brush his teeth, use the bathroom, take a shower. I spy on him for just a second, and then I'm gonna head downstairs and get my bed kind of ready, I guess, not made, but ready for the kids to have a sleepover with me tonight. I brought down Everly's pillow, and we're gonna snuggle and have our first summer sleepover. We like to have sleepovers in mommy's bed often, like at least once a week, I would say. And even though it's a king size bed, putting 3 of us in there, and if you're a parent, you know sometimes kids tend to sprawl out. Like my little 4-year-old could take up the entire bed somehow. I don't know how that works, but that's what happens. So I normally end up like hanging off the side of the bed at night or just going to sleep on the couch. But for now, we're gonna go ahead and all snuggle in here up until the point where I just fall off the bed. Now, while Jaden is getting dressed, Everly and I are just gonna snuggle in here for a minute, waiting for him, and then she is going to decide that I put the pillows on the wrong places. So she is going to go through and move them all around and do it how it should have been done the first time. So excuse me for that mistake, that one's on me. But thank goodness we have Everly that we can count on for the correct pillow organization. So now she's gonna jump on the bed, and then Jaden's gonna come in, and they're just kind of gonna go crazy for a minute, and then we will snuggle in together. And every single night, whether they are sleeping in their own beds or sleeping with me, I will spend time with both of them, and we love to watch TikTok videos together. We typically type in like funny babies or funny cats or funny dogs, and some of our favorites to watch are Hammy and Olivia. They're 2 little corgis, and the kids just crack up at them. They think they're so funny. So that's what we're doing. And then once they fall asleep, I will make my way into the kitchen and clean up all of the messes that we have created that evening. I actually ended up doing this before I put the kids to sleep. I just put it at the end of this video since that's what I typically do. So I'm putting away that cake that we had earlier for Jaden's little celebration, and then I'm gonna go through and clean up the kitchen. If you watch Love Meg on YouTube over here, you will already know what this product is. This is her new multi-surface cleaner. This is the cucumber melon scent, and it is the best thing I've ever used in my entire life, and I'm not just saying that because I am a fan of hers. So it is basically a concentrate, and it comes with this bottle. So it came with 3 of these. So you put the concentrate in the bottle, fill the rest with water, shake it up, and you are ready to go. I use this on everything, like windows, counters, even sometimes my doors, like in the background, and it smells so good for so long. Most cleaners, the scent kind of goes away after a little bit, but this stays forever. Every single time you walk into the room, it still smells amazing. So I'm gonna go through and use this on pretty much every single surface you can imagine.
This is where my heart is, oh you know it's true, no matter where I go, I'm coming home to you. Been walking down the street so many times, my feet know every brick and stone, could wear a blindfold, no matter what I do, I'm coming home to you. And I don't know why, don't know why, don't know why, I'm always feeling homesick. Oh, all I know
So now I'm going to finally be cleaning off this catch-all table. If you are new here, this is a table that pretty much everything in our house just kind of gathers on and collects on. I cannot stand this table. It is not going to be coming with us to the next house. But then I included this clip since a mother's job is never done. There was still lots more cleaning to be done, but honestly, I had done enough that day. I was exhausted. I wanted to go to bed, which is perfectly fine. There's always tomorrow. So thank you guys so much for watching, and be sure you come back later this week for more videos. I'll see you guys soon. Bye!
Where it goes, driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights.